Alright, today we're going to do a little bit of a look around this 1200 CFM dust collector. Alright, so you saw me assemble it there. I gave her a little test run there with the brand new thickness splinter I just bought. A little bit with my CNC cleanup. And she makes a pretty good suction there. But anyways, of course this is like not just going to be an unboxing, look how pretty this is. It's going to be how does it perform over a while. So I'm going to go ahead after this first look around at it. And she's going up on the mezzanine in a corner and we're going to plumb her in. So before we do that, we're just going to look around here. So what do we got? Single phase. Doesn't even have a horsepower on it. Is it a horse and a half? Yeah, I think this is a horse and a half. I don't know, whatever. Anyways, it's the King Industrial KC-3105C dust collector. So we got our sucker right here. Switch right here. Like a 5-inch pipe right there coming off the blower. The bag doesn't fit that well right now, so I'll have to fix that. 2 4-inch outlet ports. Got a couple fittings on here already. Anyways, she doesn't look too shabby. So I guess that they want you to buy their bags and stuff, and so I already took a picture of the part number for that. But anyways, we're gonna put her in place now. All right, she's upstairs. I've plumbed her in. I've built myself a whole table, made a lot of chips. This is only a day later. Well, anyways, I'll show you this when it's on here later, but so far this thing's been wonderful. That's like a lot of birch got planed. So basically, I just plugged off one of the two here on the Y. And she got her plugged into an extension cord. She plumbed right through the floor. And now let's go downstairs and I'll show you. So she just comes right through the floor. Comes over to here. I got the Y in my kit here. The 2 valves right afterwards. First one goes down, breaks down to the 2.5-inch line, goes down to the CNC router, which I have a different video on, which is a complete piece of work. And don't worry, it will get tremendously better in the future for those of you who are interested. The other valve I just have on 2 10-foot pieces with a 45 in the fitting middle. And so I just swapped that between the table saw, which has a dust chute in it, and my new planer here, but she just grabs straight on the side. And so far it has no problem sucking everything up. Just slurp, 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 slurp. All the time. I'm not tremendously sure what else to tell you. Like, you saw me unbox it in a time lapse, assemble it in a bit of a time lapse. You saw me collect some shit, suck up some shit. You see how I plumbed her in? Now I guess it's time to tell you my complaints on the thing. I paid about 400 Canadian dollars for it. I thought it was a pretty good deal. I like the looks of the motor quite a bit. Looks nice and good, like not a cheapo. Like it's the King Canada Industrial or whatever. Like it's the better of the cheap stuff, but it's not like a General or something like that. Next gripe is, they only give you one of these bags. They should give you a couple more than one. The next thing I absolutely hate is I wish this wasn't a bag. I wish it was like a clear garbage can or something. I would pay more for that because it works good for the dust collector, this system, with just the tensioning band. Not a problem. Works fine for like this 1 micron bag filter, whatever the fuck they call it, because it's got these little loops and it sticks in and it seals nice. However, this bag under here is bigger than this lip. So it's an absolute pain in the ass. You kind of have to hold this up with one hand and then to get another guy, so it takes 2 people to get it easily, to then tighten this up around it to make a nice seal. That is my gripe, biggest gripe. But I guess this way you could, it's a bit of a hassle, but you could put any bag under here, right? It doesn't have to be Could be clear, could be black, could be this, could be anything this size, which I don't actually know this precise size. Should work. So I guess that's the nice thing about it. So at the moment I just have an extension cord. Let's plug her in. I'm not sure how well the camera will pick up that sound, but it's not that loud. Get the 4-inch line going in here. Look, see there's some dust on that table saw. Table saw? Chop saw. Miter saw. Lots of suction. Oh, look at that dirt pile right there. All that fine dust. So hey, thanks for watching. This is my take on it. If you have any questions about it or a similar model, like they have a smaller one and a bigger one that's very similar, ask. If not, that's your little looky-loo at it.